60% மேலே இருக்கணும் அப்படின்வாங்க. ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு அப்ளை பண்ணி பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் தெரியும் யூ வில் பி கெட்டிங் ஆஃபர் லெட்டர். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு அந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டி வந்து உங்களுடைய அக்செப்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்களா இல்லையான்றது. நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா கீழே வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஸ்க்ராலிங் போயிட்டு இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, கேம்பஸ் யூகேயோட ஆஃபீஸ் நம்பர் போயிட்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் அட்ரஸ் இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. கேம்பஸ் யூகே ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு டேரெக்டாக வாங்க. உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு என்னென்ன யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ் வந்துட்டு ஹோட்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அதை பற்றின கோர்சஸ் வந்துட்டு எந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் இருக்குன்றதை நாங்கள் உங்களுக்கு ப்ரீஃபாக ஒரு கவுன்சிலிங் கொடுக்குறோம். நீங்கள் அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு நீங்கள் ரிசல்ட் பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே மேடம்.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. Yeah, Anita, can you please explain what are the eligibility criteria for applying for your courses?
A lot of our engineering courses would require a first class, first division from a good university, and also in some of the cases like petroleum engineering we also require work experience. Our MBA programs require minimum of 2 years work experience at a managerial level or a corporate level. We also have, as I was mentioning, the different schools we have. We also have a school of fashion and textiles, which is supposed to be the biggest in UK. In fact, the kind of facilities that we have in our fashion and textile department is not available in any other university in UK. We have an entire mill which has been actually converted into the practical laboratories for fashion and textiles department. And we have a lot of specialization in it. In fact, the Center of Excellence for George Davis is also in our fashion and textiles department in Heriot-Watt University. Apart from that, we also have civil engineering, architectural engineering, structural engineering, construction project management. So these are the various programs. Some of them require work experience, but not all. So majorly what we require is an average first class, first division from a good university. That is our basic requirement.
Then you was telling about your Dubai campus, right?
Yes, we also have a Dubai campus. We have 4 campuses. One is the Edinburgh campus, which is in main Edinburgh. Then we also have our Scottish Border campus, which is basically our textile and fashion designing department. And we also have Orkney campus, where we have a lot of research facilities available in marine biology and marine resource management. Apart from that, we also have a Dubai campus, which is a very large campus. It's actually a branch campus of Edinburgh only. We have some of the courses, not all courses at the moment, running in Dubai campus. We have a lot of Indian students also there, because a lot of Indian students have their families in Dubai. And it turns out much more cost economical for the students to study in Dubai, because the fees of the Dubai campus is less than what is the fees of the Edinburgh campus. And also the living cost is also quite less, because we have noticed a lot of students have some or the other friends or relatives. They can stay with them and their cost of living goes down pretty well. So Dubai campus is growing very fast. We have so many international students there. And we are just building up another campus there, which is 10 times bigger than our existing campus at the moment, next to BITS Pilani, and it would be ready by probably July 2011.
Yeah, that's fine. Campus UK ஓட services என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, உங்களுக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட்ல சர்வீஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ப்ளஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டாப் யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸோட ஸ்பாட் அட்மிஷன்ஸ் வந்துட்டு அவங்க பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நாளைக்கு கூட லைக் ஆன் 10th ஆல்சோ வி ஹாவ் அ ஸ்பாட் அட்மிஷன். அனிதா இஸ் கோயிங் டு கண்டக்ட் த ஸ்பாட் அட்மிஷன். அரௌண்ட் 1:30 to 3:30 இன் கேம்பஸ் யூகே ஆஃபீஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு ஸ்பாட் அட்மிஷன் நடக்குது. Students who are willing to get the spot admission interviews வந்து they can walk into our office with their academic documents. அப்புறம் அது இல்லாம யூகேல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா கண்டினியூல் அசிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. பிளஸ் ஹைலி சக்சஸ்ஃபுல் விசா வந்து கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு கேம்பஸ் யூகே வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட்ல எல்லா சர்வீஸுமே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Like Anita, you just explain after a student he has completed his BE engineering, what are the futures he has in London or something, UK?
See, basically there are, as I mentioned, there are a lot of courses for the students who have done engineering. But which field? For example, if a student has done mechanical engineering, in our university in Heriot-Watt, he can get into petroleum engineering if he has some kind of a work experience in oil company at onshore or offshore in exploration. That's one big course he can get into. Or he can also get into, from mechanical engineering background, into renewable energy, MS in energy, sustainability engineering, and also if the student is very good in physics, then they can get into photonics and optoelectronic devices as well. Nanotechnology is another course they can get in. Students from the electronics engineering department or students who have done ECE, electronics and communication engineering, can take up embedded systems, or they can take up mobile communications IT. We'll be disrupted again.
Yeah.
Let's take the call first.
Good evening.
Hello,
Yeah, சொல்லுங்க.
this is Kumar ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Kumar.
Vincent பேசுறேன் ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க குமார்.
I had done my MSc ma'am.
MSc முடிச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
MSc முடிச்சிருக்கேன் ma'am.
MSc என்ன மேஜர்? What's your major in MSc?
CS ma'am, computer science.
Computer science. Okay. இதுக்கு மேல நீங்க என்ன படிக்கணும்னு விருப்பப்படுறீங்க?
MBA பண்ணலாம்னு இருக்கேன் ma'am.
MBA. You are going to do your MBA.
Yes ma'am, MBA ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, completed his MSc.
You will have to probably look into a university. Do you have a work experience? Have you worked, or you've just finished your MSc?
Ma'am, this is my hello.
Hello.
This is my final year ma'am.
Okay, in MSc, is it?
Yes ma'am, MSc.
Okay. Now, you will have to look into the universities which are providing MBA without work experience to the students, international students. Generally, there would be some universities which can provide MBA without work experience, which is an MBA general or an MBA with specialization. Heriot-Watt, you require minimum 2 to 3 years work experience to get into MBA. However, I can suggest you another program we have for the students specifically who do not have any work experience. It is called International Business Management with specialization in HR, finance, international marketing, sustainability. The programs are exactly the same. It is just the methodology of teaching. Our MBA program is basically more an executive leadership management program, wherein we have a lot of senior managers or middle level managers who have got 5 years to 7 years work experience. They actually apply for these programs to enhance their management skills and apply the prototype research that they learned into their day-to-day business activities. But the students who do not have a work experience, for them IBM is a very good option, because in MBA you do not have classroom based teaching in our university. It's more of an interactive session, whereas the IBM program will be proper classroom based teaching. You will be taught the same core modules that you will be taught in MBA in IBM as well. And after your completion of the 2 semesters, your 3rd semester would be a research, which is a dissertation. In UK, MSc is not complete without research, dissertation. So the last 3 months of the 1-year MSc program is always a research or a dissertation in whichever university you might do it.
Kumar,
Okay ma'am.
as Anita told, we have some other universities also offering fresher MBAs.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. For more details,
I would
just
like
walk
to know
into
the
our office. Okay.
package just ma'am.
Yeah, just come to Campus UK. We will be offering you a free counseling regarding the fresher MBAs. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Thanks for calling.
Thank you.
Then Anita, I need to know how will be the lifestyle in Edinburgh. Yeah, just
Okay.
call.
The lifestyle in Edinburgh is the capital of Scotland. It is after London, the second financial hub of the country, and Glasgow, which is another industrial hub, is just 40 minutes away from Edinburgh. You cannot compare Edinburgh with London, because London is a very happening city, but Edinburgh has its own feel, its own art, culture. It's a city of art and culture and tradition. They have their nightlife as well. I think we'll take this call first.
Yeah, sure. Good evening. Hello. TV volume கம்மி பண்றீங்களா? Hello. Hello.
Hello, you need to reduce down your TV volume. Okay. So as I was talking about the lifestyle in Edinburgh, it's basically, he's trying again, somebody is trying again.
Somebody is trying. Good evening.
Hello, good evening madam.
Yeah, சொல்லுங்க.
சேலத்துல இருந்து கௌஷி பேசுறேன் என் நேம்.
Yeah, tell me.
இப்போ நான் பெட்ரோகெமிக்கல் முடிச்சிருக்கேன்.
Okay.
இப்போ அதனால வந்து ஃபர்தரா வந்து துபாயில இன்ஜினியரிங் கெமிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் படிக்கலாம்னு இருக்கேன். இப்போ 2 to 3 years எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்.
நீங்க என்ன முடிச்சிருக்கீங்க?
டிப்ளமா இன் பெட்ரோகெமிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்.
Diploma in petrol.
பெட்ரோகெமிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங்.
Is it a diploma or an undergraduate degree?
It's a diploma. He has completed his diploma in petroleum correction engineering. He wants to know what is the further UG course or
See, basically after completion of diploma, you can only get into an undergraduate program. I think the call
The
got
call is
disconnected.
connected. No problem.
But I will give the answer to this question that before, I mean after completion of a I think he is again connected.
No, it's
Somebody else?
Yes.
Okay.
Good evening. Hello.
பாலிமர் சேனலுங்களா?
பாலிமர் சொல்லுங்க.
ஹலோ பாலிமர் சேனலுங்களா?
பாலிமர் சேனல் சொல்லுங்க.
இந்த டீச் ப்ரோக்ராம் அந்த இதுல இது क्वेश्चन கேட்கலாமா?
என்னங்க புரியல.
இந்த லைவ் சேனல்
லைவ் ப்ரோக்ராம் தாங்க. யூகே எஜுகேஷன்ஸ் பத்தி உங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற டவுட்ஸ்லாம் நீங்க கேட்கலாம். சொல்லுங்க.
அதுல இப்ப கோர்ஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணனும் எப்படிங்க டீடைல்ஸ்?
ஓகே. நீங்க என்ன முடிச்சிருக்கீங்க? வாட்ஸ் யுவர் யூஜி குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்?
பிஎஸ்சி முடிச்சிருக்கேன்.
You have completed your BSc. Okay. What is your further idea in UK? நீங்க MBA பண்ணனும்னு ஆசையா உங்களுக்கு BSc ல என்ன மேஜர்? What's your major in BSc?
பிஎஸ்சி கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ்.
கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ். ஓகே. உங்களுக்கு MBA வால கம்ப்யூட்டர் ரிலேட்டட்ல ஏதாவது கோர்சஸ் போகணும்ன்ற விருப்பம் இருக்கா?
கம்ப்யூட்டர் எம்எஸ்சி அந்த மாதிரி கம்ப்யூட்டர் ரிலேட்டடா.
உங்களுக்கு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா டுடே we have அனிதா அபி வந்து ஹெரிட்வர்ட் யூனிவர்சிட்டில இருந்து வந்திருக்காங்க. அவங்க வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு இந்த क्वेश्चनக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுவாங்க. Actually, he has completed his BSc. He is going to complete his BSc Computer Science. He wants to know what are the future courses he can do in Heriot.
He can get into a lot of courses in Heriot University as well. We have courses which are totally into software engineering like MS Software Engineering, MS Computer Services Management, IT applications, advanced IT applications as well. We have programs which are different, which are not into hardcore software engineering and decoding languages but also into the application size. Like we have MSc IT Business,
Yes.
MSc IT Software Business and Artificial Intelligence, Intelligent Web Entrepreneurship, Internet Web Entrepreneurship. So these are various programs that we have. We will have to look into your academic records to see what is your grades, and then the faculty would be assessing all those grades and then they would be offering you the place in the university accordingly. So probably you can get back to Campus UK with all your academic documents and they can forward your application to the university.
What's the duration?
The duration of the MSc program is 1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
How much it will cost?
The cost would be approximately 12 to 13,000 pounds for 1 year program. That would be only the tuition fee. Plus you will have to show approximately for living expenses 5,000 pounds because Edinburgh is not a very expensive city like other main cities of England. So the cost of living expenses is considered approximately 5,000 pounds. So the total cost would be somewhere around 17,000 to 18,000 pounds for you.
Can I come tomorrow and you get the details?
Yeah, sure, Kaushik. You can walk into our Campus UK office for more details. Okay. Tomorrow we have a spot admission with Anita Abi around 1:30 to 3:30, and evening 5 to 7 we have a free education seminar in Hotel Ganesh Mahal. Okay. You can come and meet us tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah, we were talking about the lifestyle. Okay.
Yes, basically as I mentioned earlier as well that we have nightlife for the students there. We have another call.
Good evening.
Got disconnected.
Yes.
We have nightlife for the students, the bars, the theatres, the cafeterias, a lot of culture, tradition, art galleries, museums.
Good evening.
Good evening. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm currently doing my fashion technology in BTech engineering la பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
That's fine. Yeah, tell me.
Further வந்து like what could I do? MBA பண்றதா எனக்கு ஐடியா இல்ல. Like I want to do specialized courses in fashion communication or something like that. So any suggestions about that, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Actually, he has chosen a good university. She is doing this fashion technology.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
That's fine.
So you have done your BTech in fashion designing?
I'm at the final year. I'm UG.
She's doing final year.
Oh, fantastic. See, we have MSc in fashion designing, textile management, fashion and textile designing. In fact, our university is considered the best in entire UK for fashion and textiles. So what I would recommend is that if you can come tomorrow and meet me in the Campus UK office, I can give you the details about this program that we have in our campus, and you can apply for the application, bring along your portfolio. Probably you can put in your application tomorrow and the faculties would assess your application and give you the offer letter accordingly. But it's a
Actually,
beautiful
I've done
program.
my BTech, what about